Hi, everybody. I hope you're having a wonderful time at home with your families. I wanted to make a video today to talk a little bit about American Sign Language and how we use it in the classroom or in speech and language therapy. American Sign Language, or ASL, is a signed language that we like to use with some of our students as a way to help them communicate. So you might see at home some of your students doing signs like this, or this, or this. And you might want to know what they're saying. So in speech and language therapy or in the classroom, we will do lots of different types of communication with our kids. We might use our voices, we might use sign, or we might use a core board. This is a board with lots of different pictures on it that they can point to tell us what they want or need. So for ASL, when we're teaching kids how to communicate, we try to give them as many methods as possible that they can use. So maybe if they're struggling with talking, they can use sign, or they can use their core board. We always want to make sure that they have as many things as possible that they can use to communicate. And I wanted to teach you a few signs today that we might use often in school or in speech therapy so that if you ever see your child doing it, you'll know what they're talking about. The first one is stop. Stop. We use this anytime we want to end an activity or if we want them to stop doing whatever they're doing. So stop. The next one is go. So we might say ready, set, go. Or it's time to go. You just point your fingers and you say go. The next one is play. It's kind of like two hang 10 signs and then shaking them. You'll say, let's play. We're going to go play. The next one is slow. This is good for kids who are moving really quickly or if they're talking very fast and you need them to slow down. You run your hand over your other hand and say slow. The next one is fast. So what I do is I have kind of finger guns here and I move them up and point my index fingers in. So it looks like fast. So you might go fast. Something that we use a lot is yes. So that's where I take my fist like this and I nod it along with my head and we say yes. The next one is no. So I take these two fingers and my thumb and put them together and I say no. This one is one that you might see your kids doing frequently, and this is the sign for more. A lot of times during snack time, we might purposely keep part of the snack away from the child so that they're encouraged to tell us, I want more. So if you ever see more, it means that they want to do more of the activity or the snack or whatever it is that you're currently doing. This is more. This one, which you've seen if we do Zoom therapy, is all done. So if they're ready to be finished with an activity, then you can say, all done, and you just wave your hands. Another acceptable form of all done is to do this, all done. So there's a couple of different ways that you can do some signs. We're just doing the ones that we use most often. So all done is either this or this. This is thank you. Thank you. This is want. Pull your hands to you. So if we're doing a full sentence in sign language, we might say, I want more. That's a good way to encourage full sentences from your child, is to do it in sign combined with your voice, to say, I want to go, or I want more. And the last one is wait. You just wiggle your fingers and you say wait. Like maybe if a student really wants to start an activity and we're not quite ready yet, we might say, we have to wait. So those are some signs that we use frequently in school and that you can also use at home. Please come back to this video as a reference if you ever want to learn a few more signs. Thank you so much for watching today and have a great rest of your week.